If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust with the ticker symbol SPY. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. It's SPY Sunday, guys, so let's take a look at what happened in the previous 5 trading days. So I'm gonna put a vertical line where I left off, which was back on July 10th, and you can see that Monday and Tuesday were red days. We trended down. Also Wednesday, but you can see that buyers brought the market up and closed green. And also Thursday was a little bit of selling, but you can see a massive reversal candle right off this prior swing. So it looks like prices bounced from the same point in the past, so that's why we got a nice move up. And then you can see that Friday was a nice gap up, and we closed very close to you could say Monday's opening. So kind of like a neutral week, but we're still short of this 388 high point where the prices gapped down from Monday. So we're still down lower than the previous week, previous 2 weeks, but looks like we're still making a comeback here. Looks like prices are making a comeback. I'm expecting higher prices, and I'll show you guys the reasons why. So let's just zoom out real quick and go over the overall pattern. Looks like there was 2 channels in play. This was the first channel right here. Prices already broke outside of this one and made a new low, and now we're kind of going sideways. So normally when we see this pattern play out, this could be a bottom. More times than not, sometimes we only get one leg down to a new low and before reversing. The thing is though, if I draw another channel, you can see that this one also fits pretty good against the price action. So I'm not sure which one traders will respect. We'll have to wait and see. If we just start reversing from here and never look back down to this 362 level, then probably they were going to be playing this orange channel, because they were like, oh, the downtrend's played out, we could probably start an uptrend. Now if we get rejected, or if we continue lower after getting a break of this yellow one, then traders are playing this yellow one. So we'll have to wait and see, but I would still play the yellow one regardless, because we are near the resistance side of the channel, and you can see that we closed right near the EMA, and we're very close to this horizontal line or horizontal 390s resistance. You can see that we're coming back up to get a triple top. So we're getting looks like prices are coming back up to the resistance side of this channel and a possible triple test of this 390 level. But the thing is though, if we break it, we can go up a little bit higher. So we did make 2 legs down. You see that we made one strong move up from the support side of the channel, and then a 2-legged correction. So the market moves in 2. So we had one move down, we went up, and then we went down again, but prices bounced. So you can see that's pretty much a perfect measure move. So if I drag this up, if we get another impulse higher, this is right around the 401 level, and that's right where this gap is to be filled, and maybe even test this breakout level. So I'm looking for that $400 level to be reached once again. I think we're going to get a breakout side of this channel. It looks pretty good right now. The bulls are bringing up the market. Another reason why we should continue higher is to get a new high of this micro uptrend, which we have not seen yet. Is any of this guaranteed to occur? No, it's just probabilities. Especially you can see that bulls are bouncing off this previous swing. Looks like they want to catapult the prices higher. So what we had last week was a little bit of selling, but then we saw a reversal later in the week. So it's kind of a neutral week. But now I'm expecting prices to probably break this yellow channel, come up to that 401 level, maybe even the 409, 410 level if price is that bullish. Either way, I'm still expecting another move down to that 350 level. So this is pretty much the pattern I'm seeing occur. So if this is the bottom, if this the pattern that's going to play out, then we could see a bottom probably early to mid-September before prices reverse. So we could see a Q4 reversal We'll have to wait and see. But as of right now, prices are looking kind of bullish. Looks like we bounced from that 373 level. We're going back up to that 390 level. If we don't find any resistance there, which I'm predicting we probably won't, or maybe if we do, it will be temporary, then we could break out to that 401 level. Now, again, you can ignore this 401 level and 410 level if we just find resistance right at the resistance side of the channel, which we're very close to, just like what we did in the past. So we'll have to wait and see what prices want to do. We should always expect prices to bounce off a level, so we could find a temporary resistance and then probably the break. So we'll have to wait and see. But either way, the price action is still developing on the chart, so we'll have to wait and see if it wants to go up a little bit more or start selling off once we reach this resistance side or resistances on the chart. So that's everything I see for the SPY. We can go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for the SPY, and it looks like we've been going sideways near the bottom of this downtrend for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, kind of just sideways. It looks like the market wants to pull back. This is a nice bullish candle bar. Could be a higher low off the lower side, off the bottom of the downtrend. We could see another little pullback, maybe back up to that EMA again, which is at the 407 level, but we're still below the EMA on the weekly chart, and I'm still expecting that 350 target to be reached because that's the previous breakout point, and there's also a little gap there that could be filled. And the third reason is because that's where my 3-wave measured move is. So you can see this was the first wave down, then we had the second wave, which is much larger, so I'm expecting a third wave down, this one right here, and it's right around that 350 level. This target will be invalidated if we break that 418 level, but as of right now we haven't been up there, so it still holds, and it looks like aggressive sellers probably want to reach this 350 level. So I have to wait and see. This target still holds. I'm still looking for it. Right now we're just seeing a pullback in the market. We can pull back maybe to that 401, 410 level and then continue lower. And if we don't even see that pullback, we're just going to continue lower from where we are right now. So those are the options I see playing out. I don't think this is a bottom. We'll have to wait and see. If we can get above that EMA and start trending up, then we probably have bottomed. Regarding the market overall, I don't think they want to crash this market. They might, if they wanted to crash this market, they should have done it in 2020. You know, a recession is bad, I guess you could say, for most people, but isn't that the right thing to do in the long term for a healthy economy, to have these bust cycles to play out fully, and then you can see the recovery take place instead of just, you know, propping it up higher and higher. You can see that we were moving at a nice angle since 2008, and then right around that crash in 2018, you can see that prices went more exponentially higher, and then the crash in 2020, we got even more exponentially higher. So you see the chart is kind of going parabolic, so they might not let this crash play out all the way. We might see another large exponential move up after this correction plays out. So it looks like they just want to keep on propping up the market. That's what it looks like on the chart, and it actually looks like what they're doing on a fundamental basis. They just not letting the market play out, or you know, kind of like a reset. It looks like they just keep on propping it up. We'll have to wait and see. That's just a hypothesis. Just got to go with what we see on the chart. Looks like we can see higher prices next week, and if we do, we could reach that 401, maybe the 410 level. If we don't see higher prices next week, then we're probably going to just continue lower to my 350 target that I'm still thinking we can reach. So I'll give you guys an update next week. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised or wait to learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.